Hi, Barbara Badolati here with a Rest and Rejuvenate pose, legs on the wall. So legs on the wall is basically an inversion, which is super important because a lot of the fluid gets accumulated in the lower limbs of the body, especially the legs. And so we're going to reverse that and lay on our back. You can do this on the floor. You could even do it on your bed and use your headboard or a wall that you can prop your legs up on. So let me show you a couple of things as far as how to get into this pose. And then the other thing is when you're on your back, you might want to have a blanket that you can lay on your abdomen. That will help to relax the internal organs. Again, give a little bit of weight so that your back relaxes. And you might even want to put a pillow or something and have that handy for under your head if you need to, or under your neck, maybe a rolled up towel. And so what you want to do is you want to kind of be on your side and scoot your bottom up as close to the headboard or the wall as possible. Roll yourself down onto your side and then roll over onto your back. Keep your knees bent. And then you're going to extend your legs. Now, my hips, buttocks aren't close to the wall. I would then roll to my side and see if I can get a little bit more so that my legs are more on a 90 degree. But again, this is still very beneficial. The other thing that sometimes happens is your feet might fall asleep and they get tingly. And if that happens, just maybe bend your knees, maybe wiggle your toes. The connection with the soles of your feet on the wall will help to bring a little bit more blood flow into that area. And you can certainly also go into reclining Baddha Konasana or cobbler pose, which feels really good for the hips. Soles of the feet are together, knees are relaxed out, and then I use my hands underneath my thighs to give it some support. So those are just some variations. I would say play with this and just find what feels good for you at any given time. I'll stay with this position for right now. Again, what I was saying about putting a blanket or something a little bit weighted on the pelvis and the lower abdomen, it just again relaxes your lower back, especially the lumbar area. And it gives that sense of comfort, security, and allows the internal organs to relax so that that blood flow can easily come back into those vital organs. The arms are going to outstretch into a T position. And you're going to find that place where you can just close your eyes, take those nice deep breaths, stay as long as you want or have time for. And then to come out of it, remove any props that you might have, bend your knees, roll over to your side, use your arms to help support you while you sit back up. And that is your legs on the wall, which is a nice inversion.